Hi friends, welcome to my channel. For more Python tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Today in this video, I am going to tell about how to remove an item from a list by index in Python. Okay, first go to the Python terminal. For removing an element from a list by their index, here I am going to show you using the pop and del. Okay, first I am going to create a list. And this is our list 1 to 10. Okay, now I am going to show you how to remove an item from a list using their index using the del keyword. Okay, del, from the left side of the list, the index is start from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And from the right side of the list, the index is starting from -1, -2, -3, etc. Okay, this is -1, -2, -3, -4 and etc. Okay, here I am going to delete the item 4, and from the left side the item for the index of the item 4 is 0, 1, 2, 3, and the index of the item 4 is 3. Okay, del, and the name of the list L in braces, the index of 4 is 3. Okay, now I am going to print our list. This is our updated list. Here you can see there is no the item 4. This is our new list. Using del we can remove an item in this way. Now I am going to show you how to delete or remove an item using pop function. Okay, this is our list, and using pop, the name of the list L dot pop in braces, the index of the item we want to remove. Here I am going to remove the item 10, and from the right side the index of 10 is -1. Okay, -1. I'm going to execute this one. Okay, now I am going to print our newly updated list. This is the result. There is no 10. This is our newly updated list. We using the pop function we delete the item 10 from our list L. Okay, using pop and del, in this way we can remove an item using by their index. Hope you guys get how to remove an element from a list by index in Python. If you like my video, please subscribe for more Python tutorial. Thank you.